Iloilo is fast expanding. We at More Power are committed to delivering efficient and reliable power distribution based on three principles: capacity building, continuity of supply, and technological competence. In capacity building, we lay down today the foundations for future accomplishments. To do this, we operate with a focus on demand accommodation to strategically address the ever-growing needs of each consumer today and tomorrow. Ensuring continuity of supply means providing efficient and sustained power distribution. Such is our service to the Ilonggos. Technological competence is utilizing the latest advancements and developments to propel decisions and move forward. 5 substations provide power to Iloilo City. As a result of increasing public consumption over the years, these substations have been overloading at an alarming rate, in turn resulting in more frequent and longer-lasting brownouts. If Iloilo City is to continue its skyrocketing development, additional substations are needed, a process that could take up to 15 months. Iloilo City's booming progress cannot be put on hold. We have a solution for that. Introducing More Power's 10 MVA Mobile Substation, a power provider on wheels. The 10 MVA Mobile Substation is designed to receive load from substations by supplying its feeder. This alleviates the latter's capacity and prevents overloading. With its mobility, the 10 MVA Mobile Substation can be transported to where it is most needed, as needed. Providing for the most densely commercial areas, the Mandurriao substation regularly operates at peak capacity, in clear danger of overloading at any time. With the 10 MVA Mobile Substation, capacity rests at a comfortable 70%. This will address overloading and cater to any future power needs the area may require. These are just some of the projects and plans to ensure that Iloilo City's growth is unimpeded by power shortages. We stand by our dedication to provide each Ilonggo home and business by preparing for a brighter future with continuous and reliable supply through the use of technological innovation and modernity. Because the Ilonggos deserve more.